In today's video, I'll show you how to use Calendly Analytics step by step. First, sign into your account and go to your dashboard. Go to the Analytics or Insights section from the left-hand menu. But if not Pro Plan, it's only worked on Pro Plan. Here you will see an overview of your scheduling performance. You can view key metrics such as number of scheduled meetings, booking conversion rate, most popular event types, no-show or cancellation rate. Next, use the date filter to analyze performance for a specific time period. You can compare weekly, monthly, or custom date ranges. Now, open event type performance to see which meetings are getting the most bookings. Check invitee activity to understand how clients are interacting with your booking pages. If available, view team analytics to track performance across different team members. You can also identify peak booking times to optimize your availability. After reviewing your data, use the insights to adjust your scheduling strategy, such as changing availability, improving event descriptions, or focusing on high-performing services. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Calendly Analytics. And that's how you use Calendly Analytics.